Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Everyday American English. I'm so happy you're here with me today. In this lesson, we're going to talk about something very common in everyday life going to the bank. Maybe you need to open an account. Maybe you want a debit card or even a credit card. Well, today I'm going to tell you a story about two people who do exactly that. While you listen, pay attention to the useful phrases and expressions that people really use in the United States. All right, let's get started. It's a sunny Saturday morning. Michael and Sarah, a married couple, walk into their local bank branch. They look a little excited because today they're opening their first joint account together. Michael turns to Sarah and says, "Good morning, Sarah. I think we should ask about a credit card, too." "It might be helpful for emergencies," Sarah smiles and answers, "Yes, and I also want to set up online banking. It will make paying bills much easier." When they reach the counter, a friendly bank teller greets them. "Good morning. How can I help you today?" Michael replies politely, "Good morning. We'd like to open a joint checking account, please." The teller asks, "Do you already have accounts with us?" Sarah shakes her head. "No, this will be our first account here." The teller nods. "Great. Please take a seat. One of our financial advisors will help you." Michael and Sarah sit down with Mr. Johnson, a financial advisor in the bank. He says, "Hello, I'm Mr. Johnson. Nice to meet you both. So, you want to open a joint checking account?" Michael replies, "Yes, that's right." Mr. Johnson continues, "Perfect. I'll just need some identification from both of you. Could I see your driver's licenses?" They hand over their identifications. Mr. Johnson types their information into the computer. After a moment, he smiles. "Okay, your account will be ready in just a few minutes. Would you also like to request debit cards?" Sarah answers quickly, "Yes, please." "We'll both need debit cards." Mr. Johnson adds, "All right. And are you interested in opening a savings account as well? Sometimes it helps to keep money separate for big goals." Michael thinks for a second. "That sounds good, but maybe we'll do that later." Mr. Johnson nods. "No problem. Now you mentioned a credit card. We have a special offer for new customers. The card has no annual fee and gives cash back on purchases." Sarah looks at Michael and smiles. "That sounds useful." Michael agrees. "Yes, we'd like to apply for that too." Mr. Johnson hands them some papers. "Great. You'll just need to sign here and here." Michael and Sarah sign the documents. Mr. Johnson congratulates them. "Your joint checking account is now open. Your debit cards will arrive in the mail within 7 business days, and your credit card application will be processed this week." Sarah says happily, "Thank you so much for your help." Mr. Johnson replies, "My pleasure." "Do you have any other questions?" Michael asks. "Just one. How can we set up online banking?" Mr. Johnson explains, "That's easy. You can register on our website using your account number. If you have any problems, just call our customer service line." Michael and Sarah thank him again, shake his hand, and walk out of the bank feeling accomplished. Now let's pause for a moment and go over some of the important words and phrases from the story. These are words that you'll often hear when talking about banks in the United States. Joint account. An account shared by two or more people. Checking account. A bank account you use for daily spending. Savings account. A bank account where you save money, usually with interest. Debit card. A card that takes money directly from your bank account. Credit card. A card that lets you borrow money to pay later. Annual fee. The yearly cost of having a credit card. Cashback. Money returned to you as a reward for using your credit card. Business days, work days, usually Monday through Friday. Customer service line, the phone number you call for help. These words are very practical, so make sure you practice them often. Now, let's check your understanding of the story. I'll ask you a few questions, and then I'll give you the answers in complete sentences. Why did Michael and Sarah go to the bank? They went to the bank to open a joint checking account. Who helped them with the process? Mr. Johnson, the financial advisor, helped them. What additional service did they request? They applied for a credit card. When will their debit cards arrive? Their debit cards will arrive in the mail within 7 business days. How can they set up online banking? They can set up online banking by registering on the bank's website using their account number. Now, let's practice some useful phrases together. Remember, this part is all about pronunciation and rhythm. Repeat each phrase after me. Good morning. How can I help you today? Good morning. How can I help you today? We'd like to open a joint checking account, please. We'd like to open a joint checking account, please. We'll both need debit cards. We'll both need debit cards. That sounds useful. That sounds useful. How can we set up online banking? How can we set up online banking? Well done. The more you repeat, the more natural you'll sound. Before we finish, here's today's tip. Practice English in real-life situations. Imagine yourself at the bank, the supermarket, or the doctor's office. Try to say out loud what you would ask or answer. This kind of practice makes English stick in your mind. And that's it for today's episode of Everyday American English. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some new vocabulary. If you like this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and keep practicing your English every day.